Hi, I'm Nancy Fox. I'm founder of The Business Fox, and happy 2013, a healthy and happy one and a very prosperous one. And today I'm speaking to you professionals, lawyers, accountants, financial service professionals, because you have some very, very special challenges and some very special opportunities as we enter this new year. So this is an opportunity for you to be having a breakout year in 2013. And I know that one of the biggest challenges that I hear from my private clients is that the issue about going out there and networking and finding the right people to attract into your practice and then servicing the practice, it becomes a really challenging time balancing issue. And part of the problem is that going out there and networking, which is a big part of the rainmaking process and the business development process, is that it takes time. So I've been thinking about this for a number of months. What if I told you that I could help you cut the networking time to a fraction of the time, the productivity of it and the effectiveness of it to a fraction of the time? And this is really possible. And the reason I know this is because I help my private clients do this, and it's all coming out of a very special approach to networking, because networking is not all created equal. Most of the time, when people are telling me that they're not getting the results that they want out of their networking, or that it's taking a really extended period of time, it's because they're really not networking in the right places and they're not meeting the right people, so that they can then turn those relationships into prospects and into real actual ideal clients. Which is why I've been planning for a number of months on creating a very special webinar just for you professionals. And it's called Meet the Decision Makers, Get More Ideal Clients. And it's all about how to take your networking and make it so effective and so efficient and so productive in a fraction of the time. It's going to be a really amazing webinar where I've made it very informational intensive, and it's going to be packed into a 90-minute session and super affordable. So if you're a professional who really wants to make 2013 a breakout year for you, where you get more clients, a better pipeline, more ideal clients, and you want to turn your networking into a really effective machine for your rainmaking efforts, come and join me on January 16th. All you have to do is read below, get the details, and join me on a wonderful webinar where I'm not only going to be teaching you all of my secrets that I've honed over the last 15 years, I'm going to boil it all down for you in a 90-minute session. I'm going to give you all my secrets, and I'm going to give you a fantastic action guide to go along with it, and some very special bonuses for you early registrants. So join me on January 16th, read on below, and click the button and register, and I'll see you on the webinar. Bye-bye.